Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Daniel Caesar. We love him here. Have this style that I really appreciates, and this will be a quick one. Very easy song to play and learn. This is called Emily's Song, and it's about 4 chords that rolls in the same slow tempo through the entire song. We love that scenario. Let's go into it, and we don't have any need for capo, just the chords to learn. So let's learn the G6 first. It goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and open E. Very open, that chord. Next is the B7. It's a bar chord, so you place the index finger on this 2nd fret. You push down all strings except from that last E string in the bass. You don't need that one. Then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on B. Next chord is the A minor 7, and that goes open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E, and finally we have the E minor 7, and that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Okay, so there we have the chords, and that's the order of it through the entire song. Let's learn the strumming pattern with G6, since that is how we start. So you're gonna play like this. Okay, so you start with down, up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. Then a short pause, and then comes just down, clap. And that's it. So down, up, clap, down, down, clap. Down, up, clap, down, down, clap. And so on. You're not going to stay on that G6 all the time. You're going to play 1 string around per chord in that order we learned them. So G1, B1, A1, and E1, like this. And that's how you do it, guys. I promised a quick tutorial, and that is what you had. This is Daniel Caesar's Emily's Song. Good luck with this one, guys. Play tuned.